Hello guys, this is Ram. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Ram, I'm from Mumbai and I'm gonna do vlog about cruising industry. Let me introduce myself first again. My name is Ram, I live in Mumbai. I work for Royal Caribbean as a bartender and we'll be talking about my experience about different ports, different countries, different cities, different ships, and we'll share some info about the food, their culture. And in this vlog I'll be using this vlog will be multilingual. Actually, I'll be using different languages because I'm a Maharashtrian, so I'll be using Marathi for sure. Then I live in Mumbai, so I'll also use Hindi for sure. And yeah, let's begin.